Greetings everyone, this is Bobby, application engineer from Shining 3D. Today I'm excited to showcase our latest product, the EinScan H2 handheld 3D scanner with hybrid light source. It's a super upgraded generation of EinScan H. And in this unboxing video, I will be showing you all the parts of this powerful scanner and what you can expect from the upgrade. Everything is included in this sleek black trolley case. You can pull the rod out for easy transportation. Upon opening the case, you will find the scanner securely fixed in place with a sponge block. After removing the sponge, you can take the scanner out. The EinScan H2 combines white light and infrared light source, enabling it to adapt to a wider range of scanning scenes, including black and slightly reflective objects. Compared to the first generation EinScan H, the texture performance has been significantly improved due to the increased resolution of texture cameras from 1.3 megapixels to 5 megapixels. Additionally, the number of infrared vessel projectors has been increased from 1 to 3, providing users with a faster and smoother scanning experience with stronger infrared projection and a larger field of view. Next to the scanner is the power adapter. Packed in a black paper box, which can output 12 voltage, 5 ampere energy. The power plug corresponding to your country's specification will be included in the outer packing. And here is a quick guide to help you get started with the scanner, along with the adapter cable, and 4 wire cable trimmers to fix all the cables. At the corner of this case, you will find a USB flash drive containing the installation package for the scanning software. And next to the USB drive are 6mm reflective markers, which are applicable to EinScan H2. At the bottom of the case, you will find the calibration board and the position paper. By placing the calibration board at the angle indicated by the position paper, you can quickly complete the calibration to ensure the accuracy of the scanner. These are all the parts included in this case. With this powerful 3D scanner, you will be able to complete high-quality scanning work with ease. For more information and generation introduction, please follow our channel. Thank you for watching.